Hi everyone, my name is Cecilia and welcome to my little video introducing these beautiful tall floral trumpet centerpieces. Look how majestic they are. I'm going to show you how to put together these beautiful large centerpieces. Here you have a base with the weight attached to it, and then with the help of this handy tool, tighten it with that nut. Almost done. Last but not least, the flowers. I'm having a little celebratory anniversary dinner here tonight, and I just thought I'd set up the table when the light is setting because it's hitting the centerpieces beautifully. So in about 10 minutes, I'm going to start pouring some wine and getting ready for dinner. And here I just want to show you that these came with these beautiful flowers, as you can see. And I also have a little bit of a stabilizer here at the bottom that I installed just to keep it from wiggling. And it's also great when you want to use them outdoors. And I just can't wait to sit down and have dinner. I've put them together in their longest form. They're actually adjustable. You can just have them around the house as decoration as well, and they're just lovely to look at.